Okay, guys, so we're here to talk about app integrations with Canvas. So thank you for tuning in. To start out, my name is Macy Henry. I'm the ITS at SeaTac Elementary. Just a quick little reference to the graduate profile. This session specifically aligns to students being knowledgeable and students as collaborators and communicators. But you can argue that it really can align to most of it. Our two learning intentions are, this course is designed for users to understand which VBCPS applications best integrate in Canvas, and also users will become comfortable adding apps in their Canvas subjects and understand the power of creating in a shared location. So those are the two biggest takeaways that we want you all to be able to do by the end of this session. So first of all, app integrations. Why is it important to have app integrations in an LMS? There's a lot of power in making sure that everything is in one place. There's a lot of streamline for this. Students need to know and have expectations of what they're supposed to be doing, keeps them engaged. But all app integrations are created differently. And this is something that I'm still just really excited about because Schoology didn't have as many app integrations, as you guys know, hardly any. They had to click through, ClassLink, Clever, like they had to click back, log in first. Canvas is nice because they have a ton of app integrations, but some of them choose to copy and share really nicely. Some of them integrate a little differently. So we're going to go over a few of the ones that work really nicely and how you might be integrating them. So throughout the video, I'm going to give you guys a chance to just pause and try it on your own after each one. So the first one we're going to start with is BrainPop. So I'm going to be modeling this for y'all in your Canvas course, but there's also this screenshot of it as well in the presentation. So the first thing that I recommend doing is going to BrainPop to decide what video you want to use. So let's say I'm teaching the weather unit and I want a video on clouds. So I'm going to search, I'm going to watch which BrainPop I want. I have it all picked out. And that way I just know what to search for in Canvas. So after I have my module created, I'm going to click add a page. Okay. And I'm going to be creating a page. And for this one, I'm going to call it BrainPop Clouds because I know my video is going to be on clouds. So here it appears. We're going to be clicking in here and editing it. All right. So from here, you see this page. You want to look for this little plug. This is our app integration plug. And this is how we're going to be getting to BrainPop. Once you click on this, you'll see it just takes you to a topic page where you can search by subject. But remember, that's why I said it's probably best to search BrainPop first because I already know I want my clouds video. I have it picked out. I've watched it. I know I want it. So I click on it. And there it appears. Below here, you can type a description for your student. I might say, click on the link above to watch the video. Okay, so once we're all set here, you just click save. But when students click on it, it takes them directly to that clouds video. And it's right inside of Canvas. Notice they are still in Canvas. Students are not getting lost in their tabs. They're not having to go into ClassLink to log in. It takes me directly to Canvas so I can watch my clouds video. So let's go back to our presentation really quick. Notice this is where it was for app integration. So you're going to be adding a page to a module. Then you want to click on that module and click edit. Find this plug tool, select BrainPop, find your video, and that's it. So at this point, I want y'all to pause the video and try adding your own BrainPop. to your Sandbox course. Okay, welcome back, guys. Hopefully you were able to successfully integrate your BrainPop video. So we are on to our second Spotlight app integration, which is Quizlet. And this one is done a little differently. So make sure you pay close attention. It talks really well with Canvas though. It fits really nicely inside, as you can see on this really nice GIF. And this is really great if you want a review for something that your students have been learning, and you can have super interactive ways that they can engage with the content. So I'm going to show you all how you can do this in your Canvas course. So first of all, let's say you found a Quizlet set you really liked. You're going to be on Quizlet.com. You don't even have to create your own. If you're not familiar with Quizlet, you can search for one. I like to search by like the SOL. So let's say I'm doing my ocean unit and I wanted my students to review the ocean floor. What I'm going to do is I'm in my Canvas course again, and I'm going to add a page just like before. And this one we are going to remember to do Quizlet review. I'm just going to name it ocean floor. Okay, so we're going to click into that, edit. Okay, so remember before you went to the little plug. With Quizlet, we want to click insert and then this little cloud, embed, okay? Quizlet is insert, embed. Now, we're going to go back to Quizlet. I found what I wanted. Let's say I want them to do a fun matching game. I want to make sure that I click on these three dots and click embed. From here, you can pick what type of learning you want your students to do. I said I wanted them to do a matching review game, but if you wanted them to just do the flashcards, you can click that too. But I'm all set. I'm going to click copy HTML, and I'm going to click back to Quizlet review. From here, all I have to do is paste it in, submit. Notice it's already within that page really nicely, and I can click save. And as you can see, it fits perfectly in this window within Canvas. So the students can start their game and start practicing. So, one more time. You're in Quizlet, you want to click embed. Whatever content you want, you're going to make sure that you choose it and then click copy HTML. And then within Canvas, you're in that page, you want to click insert, embed. It was the little cloud. And then you just paste in your code and click save. So at this point, go ahead and pause your video again and go ahead and try to integrate a Quizlet into your Canvas course. Okay, welcome back. So the next spotlight that we are going to be looking at for app integration is Discovery Techbook. And just so you all know, we have two other app integrations we're going to be talking about before you try this time. So just be prepared that we're not going to pause until after the next two. So Discovery Techbook. Today we're going to really be looking at how you can embed content videos into a page in your Canvas module. Now, since we're only in your sandbox right now, we aren't going to be building assignments in your Canvas right now. Later in August, you will be able to put assignments through Discovery Techbook in your Synergy courses. But again, today we're just going to be looking at embedding content videos. So I'm going to model that now in my Canvas course. So let's say I am doing a unit on cells. I'm switching it up to 5th grade science now. You're going to go and you're going to add your page again. And again, ideally, you probably would have wanted to look in Discovery Techbook first, decide, what you want. But I'm going to say Discovery Techbook cells. All right, once I'm here, remember you're going to click on Edit. And for this integration, we're going to go back to the little plug, this guy here. And notice we click on Discovery Education. And I'm going to search for my cells video. And remember, we're just looking at full content videos to embed right now, but you will be able to do more. So we just click on Embed. And it's that easy. It's so pretty. It talks great. It goes right into the page. You click Save. And that's what the students see. And they can click on it and watch it. So that's it for the Discovery Techbook. Okay, the last app integration that we are going to be looking at today is Playposit. And this one I'm really super excited about. And as you can see from that blinking pointing arrow, it works really well in a PLC course, meaning like the course that you and your teammates are going to build your assignments in and be able to share resources. What happens is, let's say you not only have your Playposit that you're going to use or made it in Playposit, you set all the point values, you set up the whole assignment in your PLC course in Canvas already. This app integration is so smart that it knows if then your teammate copies that assignment from your PLC course into their Synergy course, for example, into their math course, it automatically makes that copy for them. So you don't have to worry about, all of your students' submissions going to a different teacher who originally created it. If you create it in your PLC course, it's so nice because as your teammates copy and transfer it to their Synergy course, Playposit automatically knows to make a full new copy for you and your students. So that part's really exciting. And if you wanted to have point values in your Canvas gradebook, etc., we're going to look at how to do that. So we're back to Canvas. And I'm going to click Create an Assignment, okay? And I'm going to say Tree Diagram Playposit. All right, we're going to click into that assignment. And we're going to edit these details, okay? So within here, let's say you could put a little description here if you wanted to. We're going to make it 10 points. You could do whatever you want. But scroll down a little bit and you will see this submission type. You want to click on this and click External Tool, okay? From here, we want to find one. You click that and you can scroll down and you will find Playposit. It's in alphabetical order. Notice it takes you directly to this page. You can either click Enter Playposit or Set Link. It takes you to the same screen. Okay, so once I'm in here, I can see all of my bulbs that I either have copied or made myself. And remember I said we wanted to do tree diagrams. So I'm going to find that and I'm going to click on the little canvas icon. And that's going to set my bulb link. I'm going to keep it at self-paced. We click link. And then it's there. We selected it. It's all in here. You can scroll down. You can add, individually assigned people. You can add things like that. We're just going to click save. So now what's going to happen is this little button, when you click it, it opens directly into Playposit in a new tab. This is the teacher view. This means it worked. But if you wanted to preview what the students see, it opens your Playposit like that. And that's pretty much all there is to it. So let me go back to our slide here. Don't forget, you would want to build this in your PLC so you guys can really share these beautiful assignments seamlessly. But remember, you go to add assignment this time. You want to scroll down to submission type and select external tool. Okay, click find, scroll to Playposit, set link, choose your bulb, click on the little canvas icon, select it, and save. So good luck. At this point in time, pause your video again and try it yourself. All right, guys, welcome back. I hope you had success in integrating your Discovery Techbook and Playposit for your last 2 app integrations. There's one more document I want to show you, and it is this document right here. Remember how I said that app integrations are all made differently? This is a link to a spreadsheet that is updated all the time. So if you're not sure if a program that you use talks to Canvas or not, or how it talks, find this document that your ITS will have and let you know where it is. So for example, WeVideo is a division purchased application. There's instructions on how to do it, and it tells you if there's grade passback or not, and some notes on it. Okay, so this is everything. They continuously update it. So if you want information about which apps talk, which apps don't, just go ahead and go to that document. I really hope that you guys learned something today, and I hope you're just as excited about these app integrations as we are.